Hello, my absolutely amazing financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. And welcome to the most satisfying Taco Tuesday that's about to spice up your entire week with some delicious financial wisdom. I'm so pumped with Tuesday energy because today we're creating the perfect recipe for financial success that tastes incredible and nourishes your future at the same time. We're filling our flavorful Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge envelope with intentional love, following the heartwarming adventures of our adorable little pig who's discovering the beautiful balance between enjoying life's treats and building something stable for tomorrow, and learning powerful life lessons from our wise pig mentor who figured out that the most valuable things in life can't be purchased. They're created through mindful choices and grateful hearts. You know what makes Taco Tuesday so special? It's the wonderful metaphor for how we should approach our entire financial lives. Just like creating the perfect taco means choosing quality ingredients, adding flavors that complement each other, and knowing exactly when you've added enough of everything. Managing your money means making intentional choices, balancing your needs and wants, and recognizing when you have exactly what you need to feel satisfied. There's this incredible wisdom in understanding that financial peace doesn't come from having everything. It comes from being thoughtful about what you save, what you spend, finding genuine satisfaction in both. So, let's create some Tuesday magic and build a financial life that's as nourishing as it is delicious. For our Taco Tuesday variable savings challenges, we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. We've got $79 for our variable challenges. Now, I say variable because for Taco Tuesday, we know what we're going to save, so we plan for that. We know that every Tuesday, we're going to save the dollar amount that equates to the date for that Tuesday. The variable challenges are our life of a pig who wants to save and loves to spend, and life of a pig who wants to collect memories, not things. Today, we are going to start with Taco Tuesday. And in our Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge today, we will be saving $21. So here in the back, as I mentioned, we knew we were going to save $21. So let's color in our 21 here and see how much we've saved thus far this year in our challenge. Thus far, we have $500 in high yield savings, $100 in surplus reserve, so that's $600, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. We can use surplus reserve. I'm going to put this to the side so it can dry. And using surplus reserve, we are going to condense these smaller bills into a 20. We're gonna get our $20 bill here and get the smaller bills tucked away. We've got 10 here, 5 for 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now we've made sure that we're putting back exactly what we took out of our surplus reserve, and we have a condensed $640. Now let's take a look and see what's going on with our girlfriend Georgette. We are going to start our savings today with Life of a Pig who wants to save but loves to spend. And let's take this page out to make things a little bit easier for us. And we will start with Fly That Broom. It says, don't be afraid to make money. That's one thing I've never been afraid of, to invest in myself. George St. Pierre. And today we are going to scratch off 2 of our spaces. We will start here on the broom. We're starting out with $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for our next space, I'm gonna go right here on the tree by Fred Jr. and we are saving $4 more. So what I will do is I will put one back and get a $5 bill. So now that's $8 on this side. And guys, this is the side that usually always gets me, because you guys know I, for some reason, love to go the wrong way. Okay, so hopefully I will stay on track and not go the wrong way. Now we're gonna start out with a sticker. So that sticker is $5. And under this little sticker, we've got a ghost. So we've got $5, $6, $7 there. And I think I'm gonna stop there because we need to save something for next week. So we'll save $2 more. So we will put this 8 back and get a 10. So we're saving $15 in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend. Let's put our page back in our challenge booklet and see how much we've saved thus far this year in this challenge. And look, we have $1,300 in high yield savings, 50, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88. So $1,388 in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend. Next, we're gonna move right along to Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. In this challenge, if I recall correctly, we are in Spain. There we are. And we're gonna scratch off 3 of these spaces today. We'll go right here, and we have a ×2. So that means our very next number, we have to multiply by 2. We will go right here, and we have a 6. So we will save $12. 5, 10, 11, 12. We need to scratch off 1 more. I think I will go right here. And how lucky am I? I got another ×2. So what I need to do is next week, I need to remember whatever my first scratch off is, I need to multiply it by 2. So on this side, we have a total of $12 saved. Actually, I'm gonna put a star right here to help me remember that. And now we need to roll 3 die to find out how much we're saving for our tapas. So here's 2 rolls right here. We've got 4 and 1 to make $5. We need to roll 1 more time, and we've got another 4. So we're saving an additional $9. So we'll put a 1 back, and we'll get 2 5s. So we're saving $21 in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. Let's see how much we've saved thus far since we've been stacking our cash in this challenge. All right, in our envelope, we have $500 in high yield savings, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, $79. So what I'll do is I'll put these 4 ones, a 5 and the 50 here. This is $20. We'll get a 20 from our surplus reserve to help us to keep this condensed. Put those 4 5s in there and replace them with a 20. And now we have a condensed $579 in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. Now, before I let you guys go, I wanted to share a little something that was sent to me by my dear friend Michelle in Hustle and Flows. Now, this is one of my binders, but inside she has released this beautiful collection. This is her fall bookmark and a very festive and spooky Halloween dashboard. And then what I have here, because in fall is when people go back to school, I have a back to school challenge. Her envelope, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's beautiful. And it says back to school, supplies, clothing, backpacks, and technology. And there is a challenge here that saves $400. And then we have a winter bookmark with a winter dashboard that beautifully captures everything that we love most about winter, our holidays, cozy settings, the warmth of candles and fireworks for bringing in the new year. And this here is the New Year's challenge. It says New Year, party supplies, drinks and snacks, fireworks, outfits, and this saves $150. And also in winter, of course, February is winter for us here in the United States. We've got Valentine's. It says date night, gifts, flowers, chocolate, and treats. And this challenge saves $200. And then we've got a spring bookmark. And in spring, I put faith as my dashboard here because in spring is when we have Easter, you guys. But isn't it beautiful? It captures the spirit of Easter here. We've got a lamb and Jesus here, fish and loaves, crown of thorns. It's just beautiful. And Mother's Day comes during the spring as well. And this is a Mother's Day envelope. It says gift shopping, dinner, spa, and self-care, $100. Guys, these are very nice. They're laminated and you can just use them over and over. What I use is I use a magic eraser to remove the marker. But if you use wet erase, you can just wipe it off with a damp cloth. And then I've got a summer bookmark. And during summer, I have Juneteenth. It says Juneteenth barbecue and picnic, community celebration, parade, or festival. And this one saves $150. And I think that this captures the spirit of the holiday, don't you? They are so beautiful. She did release this collection. You can pick them up on her website. I will place a link in the description below so that you can go and check her out. She's got so many more holidays and envelopes. This is just a small sampling of what she has to offer, and I think it's beautiful. The bookmarks have scalloped edges to make it easy to get where you need to go, and they're not all shaped the same. So it's fun. Check her out, give her some love. She collaborates with a few people and does a beautiful job in her challenges and dashboards. And there you have it, another wonderfully satisfying Taco Tuesday cash stuffing session wrapped up with intention and joy. Just like the best meals leave you feeling perfectly satisfied without being overwhelmed, you're creating a financial balance where every choice feels right, every envelope serves a purpose, and every dollar works together to build something sustainable and fulfilling. Our sweet pig friend keeps teaching us that real abundance comes from appreciating what's already on your plate while thoughtfully preparing for the meals yet to come. Thank you for sharing this flavorful Tuesday adventure with me, my incredible financial fashionistas. Remember that your financial journey should feel like your favorite home-cooked meal, made with care, perfectly portioned for your unique needs, and seasoned with your own special blend of dreams, values, and intention. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co., reminding you that true financial wellness is about finding satisfaction in the balance between today's joy and tomorrow's security. Keep creating that beautiful harmony, and I'll see you next time for more savings inspiration that nourishes every part of your wonderful life.